Hi, I'm Valerie with PROMIS, and today's quick tip is how to merge two student records. There are instances where a duplicate record is created for a student. The merge process can be performed by users with the Merge Student Record permission. To merge the duplicate records, you will want to get at both students on a search results page. You can do this by creating a search of your own or going to the current students or my students. Once you've located the two students that need to be merged, you will click on the merge link for the first student. Then you'll be prompted to click on merge link for the second student. After you've clicked merge on both students, they will display side by side. You have the option to select which student you want to keep and which one you want to delete. You can also move all the data to the blank fields in one click. Or you can simply fill out each field individually. Once you've completed all the applicable fields, you will scroll down and click on the Merge button. You will get a message that will confirm that you are deleting one student and keeping the other. You either click OK if you agree with the confirmation, or cancel if you do not want to make a change. Once the student is merged, you will get a notification stating that the student was successfully merged. Please note that the student's demographic, attendance, enrollment history, and grades will merge. So prior to merging, you will want to bring anything else over, such as assessments, parent information, or anything else you need to keep on the student record. Also, after you merge, you will want to scan for duplicate data as well. I hope you found today's quick tip useful with using our system. Thank you again for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.